Step solution to fix Battlefield 6 launch issues on PC. 1. Run everything as administrator. Right-click the following apps one by one: Battlefield 6, EA App or Steam, EA Anticheat installer. Choose Run as administrator. 2. Repair or reinstall EA Anticheat. Navigate to You can see the code in our conversation history. Right-click and Run as administrator. In the list, select Battlefield 6, then click Repair. If that fails, uninstall, then click Install. 3. Update graphics drivers, especially NVIDIA 576.88 or newer. Download from official site, nvidia.nvidia.com/download/index.aspx. Please open your app to see this link. AMD/www.com/en/support. Please open your app to see this link. Do a clean install using NVIDIA's installer. Check the box during install. Nash 4. Delete Battlefield 6 cache files. Press Windows R, type You can see the code in our conversation history. Delete the folder. You can see the code in our conversation history. Also delete cache from You can see the code in our conversation history. 5. Disable full screen optimizations, high DPI fix. Go to Game Install folder. Example, C# Program Files, EA Games, Battlefield 6. Right-click Battlefield6.exe, Properties, Compatibility. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Check Override High DPI Scaling. Apply, and observe 6 Force DX11 mode. If you're getting DirectX errors or device hung crashes, go to You can see the code in our conversation history. Open with Notepad and change You can see the code in our conversation history. 2. You can see the code in our conversation history. Save file. 7. Temporarily disable antivirus or add exception. Some antivirus software like Avast, AVG, Bitdefender, block EA Anticheat. Add these folders to Exception List, Battlefield 6 folder, EA Anticheat folder, Documents Battlefield 6. 8. Check EA App or Steam files integrity. Steam, right-click Game, Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity, EA App, My Collection, click on BF6, Repair. 9. Install missing dependencies. Ensure these are installed or updated. DirectX runtime, Microsoft.com/en/details.asp = 35. Please open your app to see this link. Visual C++ redistributables, 25/learn.microsoft.com/cpp/windows latest-supported VC Redist. Please open your app to see this link. .NET Framework 4.8+. HashiCorp 10. Create a new local Windows user profile, last resort. Some users fix launch issues by running the game on a new Windows user account. SEO optimized title.